What's up, everyone? This is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are going to be talking about a wig. It's gonna be my unboxing. We're gonna put it on. We're gonna see how it do. We're gonna see what it look like because I am nervous. As you can tell from the title, I bought a wig off Amazon. So let's get into this video. My job is having pictures taken for the website, and I decided that I wanted to wear a wig for that. And it's kind of controversial, but I don't feel like dealing with my natural hair. Like, I know it's like not like, you know how they like, well, you have to teach your kids that natural hair is good for like professional blah blah blah. Yeah, I get it. I'm fine with that. I don't care. It's gonna be at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know what it's gonna look like. It's not like I'm gonna wake up and take my twist out and then go take a picture. By that time, my hair could have shrunk. It could be looking crazy because I'm chasing kids around. Like, I don't know what's gonna happen. So I need something that is going to, like, I'm gonna put it on and it's gonna stay like that until it's time to take pictures. Like, I'm not even putting on makeup until like an hour before we have to take pictures because I don't know what's gonna happen. So anyway, I took my braids out last week. And I've been wearing my fro for 2 days. It's up in a puff already because I'm tired of combing it. I decided to get a wig. So I bought this wig on Friday from Miss Sexy Hair on Amazon. It is a 10A 12-inch Brazilian virgin human hair lace front wig for black women. It says glueless, pre-plucked, short bob wig, unprocessed, straight, human hair, bleach knots, 13x4, natural color, right? So I was actually looking at Nizzy's Playhouse, and she had like a really short, cute, but wavy bob that I liked, and I was gonna just get that, and it was synthetic. But then like I scrolled down a little bit and I saw that this one was the same price and it was human hair. Well, it was about the same price and it was human hair. The only difference was the one that was about the same price was the 10-inch bob. So I got the 12-inch bob for $56.99 off Amazon. And here it is. So it came in like just a plain manila folder, like the padded envelopes. I ordered it Friday, like I said. It came Saturday, and I opened it already, and I took it out, and I just put it back so that I could see the packaging. So let's open it up and see what we got. It comes in a bag. This is the wig in here. I also have some lashes that they gave me, and a wig cap. That's cool. Then it comes with a letter and a contact card with a hair care instruction sheet, which I think is the same one, but it's just bigger, like the tag that's on the actual wig. We have this care card here, and then it has the hair care instructions, just how to wash and how to keep it from getting tangling, and like if it has like a processed hair smell, what to do to get, you know, to get all of that. All right, yeah, I know, that's boring, whatever. Let's come for the moneymaker. I'm gonna pull this wig out. So you see it says 12-inch right here, right? We'll pull it out. I should put it on my wig head, right? It looked like Uma Thurman in Pulp Fiction. It's not bad. It's like a good, like the thickness at the bottom is not bad. I thought I was gonna have to cut off straggly ends, but the ends look pretty good. I'm not mad at that. Not mad at it at all. It has a 13x4 lace inch closure, so that's this right here. So it has a part already in the middle, but it has enough space up here that you can part it to the side if you need to. I mean, I don't see myself wearing this as anything but a middle part anyway. It has this little bob, like this little bump at the ends. I'll probably take that out, or I'll make it a curly. Maybe I'll make it a curly, like a wave. I like a wave. I like a beach wave. So I might do that. On the inside, we have four combs. Oh wow, we got 4 combs. One in the back, 2 at the sides, and 1 that would be like right in the crown where the thing is. There's no elastic band in here, but I'll probably put an elastic band on it because I don't see myself like laying a frontal every day if I'm gonna be wearing this for at least like 2 or 3 weeks. I don't play that. I'm lazy. And I like to take my wig off at night. Okay, so then it has like the 2 bra closures. on the side right here. You can't really see them, but they're there. This is the hairline. It doesn't look bad, you know. That's the hairline. It's a little, it's still a little thick. I could pluck a little bit more out of that. It says that it's like bleached, but you can still see the knots. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're glaring at me. So I have a personal rule that I do not put human hair on my head until I wash it, because I don't know where it was stored. I don't know what's happening. I've heard horror stories. So I'm going to wash this, and then I'm gonna dry it, and then we're gonna come back and style it. Hopefully my hair will be braided down by then. We're gonna put it on and look and see how it look on my head, okay? We're starting with the unit freshly washed. If you wanna see how I wash all my wigs, I'll be linking a video in the cards. I'm now using a blow dryer and a round, I guess this is a blow drying brush. I don't know what kind of brush this is, but I'm using this round brush to straighten and blow out the hair. We're kind of doing it like a little bit of a Dominican blowout, but not really because I'm not Dominican. I'm taking out little pieces in the front so that I can cut some baby hairs. I noticed that when I was washing that there were no baby hairs, and if I'm going to lay this, I'm going to need some in order for it to look a little bit more natural. I'm using a 1-inch barrel curling iron that I got from TJ Maxx and taking about inch sections and curling it away from the face, just like I did in my other wig curling video. I'm spraying the Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray onto the curls just to give it a little bit of a hold. Once I finished curling and letting it sit, I went and I just quickly braided my hair down. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. With 12 braids. They are not even part of good because I just don't care, honestly. Anyway, I'm taking this wig cap. Oh, they gave me 2 wig caps. Ow, okay, thank you. Stretching it out because I'm a big head queen. We're not gonna do a boa head cap because I don't have that kind of time. So I'm gonna take these shears, and they have like the zigzag pattern on the inside to cut the lace. These are huge. I got these from Amazon. I thought they were gonna be small, but they're not small. The easiest way to make a lace blend with your natural hairline is to cut it in zigzag, which is why these are great, because you just cut it and it automatically cuts in zigzag. I got this technique from Nizzy's Playhouse, and so I was very happy when I saw that. I was like, oh my god, that makes so much sense. So instead of like going like, you just cut it and it's already zigzag. The cap itself feels really good on. It's not tight, very comfortable. And it covers my whole head, which makes me happy because, you know, I got a big head, so. Take these pins out. All right, so now I'm gonna put some concealer in the center part. Okay, it's looking a little Lois Lane. That's my bad, I did it. But I think we can. I think once I get it to a point where the front isn't like, if I get this flat, I think we're good. Yes, we got it. We got it, guys. We got it. Yes. Okay, so this is it. This is the finished product. This is what we took from the what's it called? The bag. Until what's gonna be looking like on my head for this next week that I'm about to be at work. And I didn't even like glue it down or anything. It still looks pretty good. It looks good. It looks really good. It looks nice, and you know, here's cute professional Weena. Yeah, yep, we got it. I'm gonna give you guys an update to show you how the hair looks, how it's feeling, like if it starts like chunking up, because I did buy hair from Amazon before and it was perfect when I first got it, but then it started getting really natty. It started getting really bad. But it worked for what I needed it to work for. So Anyway, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be a part of the Glam Fam and know every time I post. All the things that you need to know about this wig are going to be down in the description box, so make sure you head out down there if this is something that you feel like you want to purchase. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I can't stop putting my hands to my hair. It's so soft. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.